Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, today we're going to take a look at this drone. This is called ThiEYE. Here, I'll bring it nice and close so you can check out what the box looks like. There's the box, and yes, the drone looks exactly like that. Here's the drone itself. I've got the prop guards on, and when I do the unboxing, just keep watching. You'll see an unboxing of this drone later in the video. You'll see how all the components on the drone are arranged, and as well as see what comes in the box. Now, before we get started with the video, I just want to say this. This is one of the few drones that I received, didn't know anything about it, and was utterly impressed. Why was I impressed with this drone? Well, I flew it, and it was so friggin' stable, and it has these tiny movements that when I watched the 1080p 30 frames per second video from this drone, it was actually smooth, as if I had filmed it like on a dolly or whatnot. Now, of course, if you start bouncing around, it's gonna move around. I'm gonna try it now indoors, and I'll show you what the image looks like indoors, fly it around, and then I'll take it outdoors. Now, outdoors, I don't expect it to do as well. Certainly it has a little optical flow positioning sensor on the bottom, which works fantastic indoors, but I can't see it working well outdoors because this thing is so tiny, it's just gonna get blown around by the wind. But it does say on its little app, it has an outdoor mode. The only negative that a lot of people might say about this drone is it does not come with a controller unless you buy the higher level version. This is the lower level version. It costs less than $100. It has a lot of features. But the higher level version I think costs a little bit over $100, and it does have the controller. Mine, no controller. So here we go with the review. So the drone is down here and my phone is right here to control it. There is a little calibration button right here. So I will do calibration confirm. That's just going to make sure everything's level before you take off. Also, before you take off, you have a settings button up here, and you can pick if you want, let me see, selfie mode or aerial mode. Selfie mode means the camera's facing you and it takes off and looks at you, and aerial mode means you just want to fly around. So I'm going to leave it in aerial mode, and also you have your speeds. You have low speed and high speed. Low speed is for indoors, moves really slow, and high speeds for outdoors, moves, well, really fast. All right, so I'll put the camera on to record, and there's a little button on the right that says takeoff. And just slide to take off. Here we go. And it will go up and stay pretty much stable at a certain height. So right now, if you're watching the video, all you see is a picture in front. I'm gonna put it right now on 360 mode. Okay, confirm. It's gonna spin around 360 and grab the images in this room. Nice slow turning, so you should see the video looking pretty sweet. Nice and slow. There's my messy house. Here I am. Here, I'll stand more in the light. Here, I'll follow it around. There we go. So you should see me in the video. I found when I've flown this, the video is not too bad. So there we go. It does a full 360 and then stops. So you should see a pretty cool looking thing. So I can fly this way. I can, oh, my kitchen's too messy. Bring it back to me. There we go. All right, come on back this way. There we go. Let's go back out. Let's go back into the other room. And of course, to land it, you just hit the land button. Oh, hang on, I'm not ready to land. There we go. Land, slide to land, and she just plops down. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is, well, let's go try this outdoors. All right, it's a bit breezy out right now. Take a look up here, you can see the tree. The wind comes and goes. Well, actually, it's not doing much right now with the leaves, but yeah, I'm sort of walking through them down here. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that little drone outside here and I'm going to try to fly it around. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow too much because I don't think it'll do well. It's there's a slight breeze now and then, but overall it should be okay. So let's try this out. All right, I have the drone over here, and there's outside, and let's do the quick takeoff. I have it in fast mode for outdoors. So we should be able to whip really quick. Let's cruise outdoors. You know, I should really watch what I'm doing. Okay, so this drone's pretty stable. It is a little breezy out, but I'm surprised it's doing quite well here. How's the video? There I am, right there. I swear this drone has really awesome 30 frames per second 1080p video because the quality's pretty good. So let's whip it over my shoulder. Let's go that way. Spin you around. Bring it back. There you go. See, it has really nice turning motions. Look at this. Like the video you're watching right now, it's just so smooth because it's just turning so nicely. I'm just whipping around me here. Look at that. I can go right around me. This is pretty cool. Let's go over here. Where do I want to take it? Here, let's race with it. That's too fast. Oh, slow down. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. Let's take it up. When you're flying this drone, if you whip it ahead forward really fast, it doesn't have brakes. You have to whip it backwards really fast because you saw what happened. I flew into my fence. So overall, really good drone. Now watch this. I'm just going to go forward here really fast. And I'm going to try to pull it backwards. Whoa. Yikes. Whoa. I just stopped that in time. There we go. Got her back. Watch how smooth that is as it's going up. Go up, 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 up. I'm not even watching the drone here. I'm just watching the video. Wonder if I hit land from up there. Okay, it's all the way up there. I'm going to hit land on here. Watch, see what happens. Land. How fast does it come down? I've got it on land mode. Oh, look at that. It came down, it saw the ground, and then it slowed down in order to land, and it's going to land nicely. All right, so all in all, this is a really good drone. Like, I'm 100% impressed with this drone. It did well out here. You can see the trees are blowing up there. It's a little windy, and it still did quite well. The image quality on this here drone, from what I saw inside, is just outstanding. I guess one last thing I should do is take a picture. Let me show you what the picture looks like, picture quality. There we go. So overall, the picture quality and the video quality looks to be pretty decent, and everything records to a little micro SD card right here in the back. So you can tell I really love this drone. I think it's one of a kind. It's really good for indoors and not too bad for outdoors. See, look at the trees. It's kind of windy, and this did okay in the wind. And now a quick unboxing of the ThiEYE drone. I don't even know how do you pronounce that. ThiEYE, Dr. X mini quadcopter drone. I want to show you this. Here's the features. I don't know if you can see that with the lighting. You can see there's a 1080p 30 frames per second, full HD, 720p transmission, optical flow, altitude hold, which we're used to, smart nav control, and of course, ultra portable, take it anywhere, and you can also toss and throw it. And just in case I didn't mention it in the video, here are the specifications. You can see right there, everything you need to know. And let's go on with the unboxing. Opening up the box. What do we have? We have the user manual. This thing here is pretty thick. Check that out. These insanely looking red things, which are very strange in design, would actually be your prop cards. Let's pull out the drone itself and take a quick look. There we go. In the back, huge compartment to put the battery, USB port right there. Looking on the side, what do we have? We see the camera in the front. It is a 1080p camera at 30 frames per second. It's very small. You can't move it up and down. Looks like an optical flow positioning system over here on one side, power button right here, and flip it to the other side, nothing there. Look at the top, just a piece of plastic, and you have the brushed motors, very powerful. And away in the back, if you can see it right here, that's where you put your micro SD card so you can record high quality 1080p 30 frames per second video from the camera. If you don't put a card in there, all you're going to get is 720p video. Next, we have the actual modular battery. It is a 3.7 volt, which means it's a one cell battery at 650 milliamps. Also included is a USB cable, 4 spare propellers, and inside this bag is a metal prop removal tool. All right, slide the battery into the drone so we have it inside, and let's weigh the drone with the battery. We get a total of 84 grams. That is extremely light. Very impressed. The only thing I would say is it would be better with the controller. I don't have the controller. You have to pay a little bit more to get the version with the controller. But if you want to pay under $100, then you get the version without. And everything's pretty awesome. So you saw the unboxing already, and you saw what comes in. There's not much to it. It's pretty straightforward. But all I can say, really good drone. Below in the links, I have where you can buy this on GearBest. And you can actually see this drone. And if there's a link to the one with the controller, I'll put a link to that too. And you can decide which one you'd like to get. Overall, thumbs up. I love this drone. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, well then subscribe to my channel because lots more videos on all types of drones are on the way. Take care. We'll catch you in the next video.